Hello, hello, hello. How is everyone? How are you guys doing? So, welcome back. I know I've been a bit slow in regards of doing these sessions lately. It's just life's been busy, lots been going on. But here we are, another day, another try to make this session productive. I'm already up around 2 hours for the day. Basically, took this long from these areas onto previous week high. Quite visibly, that was the drawn liquidity. And in the morning, I was discussing that with the mentees as well. That will be the drawn liquidity for the market today. And yeah, the market went there nicely. So, what am I expecting now? Well, what am I expecting now is first of all, there is lack of displacement above this high, right? On the 4 hourly. So looks like we might be going lower to basically grab some more juice from the market. And once we have enough juice from the market, we might be trying to run in one direction or the other. So looking forward to how the market reacts, what really happens in this new week opening gap. So we have this lovely little new week opening gap right over here, starting from here to here. And it will be very crucial to see what really happens in here, because we could not break above the new week opening gap or close above the new week opening gap on medium term time frame or higher time frame, I would say 4 hourly. So yeah, you want to see how this market reacts inside of it, what the market wants to do inside of it, and how does it obviously react to each quadrant, and take basically make decisions based off that. So yeah, keeping my eyes peeled on that. Hourly is looking bearish. We will get a change in state of delivery in another 30 minutes towards the downside, which could in turn mean that price wants to head a bit lower than where it is right now. But nothing is confirmed until it is shown by the price. So till the time we don't get a confirmation on that the price wants to go lower, well, we really can't put our money there, right? We just have to wait, watch, and execute a source accordingly. Now, looking at 90 minutes, just to get the gist of where the sessions are, we are trading below the Asia low right now. Sorry, London low. Is it London low or Asia low? Asia low. No, London low. Sorry, my bad. So kind of close to the London low. I'll not say trading below it, kind of close to the London low. We have swept it though. So keep an eye. How would I want to look at this market as of now is that all-time highs have been taken. There's been lack of displacement 2 times when we have tried. We could very well be heading towards a shorter term displacement towards the downside. If that happens, great. If that does not happen and the market keeps rallying higher, I'll be pretty happy to take a long position as well. But for that, I just want to see at least some sort of momentum coming to the market towards the upside. I feel any break above 26,885 area and a closure above it is what you want to look for. If the closure is below it or on it, it will be a turtle soup. So just want to wait for that. Just need a confirmation that the price really does want to do that. If the price does want to do that, I'll be happy to enter long positions from there. Now looking at 15-minute time frame, price is looking kind of, let's get rid of this. We don't need all this. So currently trading at true day open, trying to perform a turtle soup on this low of London Q1. Asia low is left intact, but Asia low was also part of this fair value gap retest, which also has its consequences. So overall, I don't see anything fancy. I'll be honest. Good rejection of this fair value gap. Nice, that's great. This order block is still sitting there, which has taken all the highs. So this is crucial. So this was the one which took the previous week high, this order block. So let's just keep our eyes on this order block and see how price reacts to this. Does it go below it and close below it, or does it, wants to act like a propellant for the price and price pushes higher from here? So yeah, just want to keep my eyes peeled on that. So let's see what happens here. And lastly, on the 5-minute chart, let's just mark this as 15-minute order block. OB15. Oh, OB15 vanished on OB5, so I want to bring it back. OB5 to 15. Save as OB15. Save, yes. Okay, cool, better. So yeah, just want to see what happens here. Now, to go long from here to these highs, what I would like to see is nothing. I mean, I'm not planning to go long from here. The only long position I'll be looking for is once we have inverted this FVG over here. So once this FVG gives way, then yes, there is a long position that you can consider. But I'll be very honest, just be patient in this market. Like this morning, from my experience, like you can ask, like the mentees are here, so they know I was just saying the same word again and again. Guys, be patient. Guys, be patient. Guys, be patient. The reason was that this market is not really showing its hand right now, whether it wants to break that all-time high and keep going higher, or it wants to reverse. So when the market is in such a situation where you don't get clarity in regards of which direction the market really wants to go now, like it's been perfectly bullish over the last couple of weeks, but till the time the market does not give you a confirmation that, hey, I am bullish and this is the direction I want to be heading towards, I don't think you should be putting too much of an effort in, dictating where the market goes. Just let the market come and tell you where it wants to go. My entry today will most likely be based off 2-minute order block, because that's how the market looks, and I feel it will play out well. So what I'll be looking at is opening price, how the price goes. Does the price go downwards towards London low? That would be great. Sweep that liquidity, show me a reversal, maybe an ILM model or a 2-minute breaker block model will be the perfect entry for me in this sort of a market. So yeah, just keeping my eyes peeled on that, and let's see how it goes. And now my highs. Hello, Zubair. How are you, brother? Kumar, hello. Sarah, hello. Po, hello. And Ilyada, hello. So only the mentees say hello to me. No one else cares about me. Guys, somebody say hello. And people on Twitter, welcome back. There was some issues with Twitter. I don't know what went wrong there. They basically blocked my account. Then I had to ask them, can you please reactivate my account? I'm a very nice person. I don't do shit. And then they reactivated it. So welcome back. If you guys are not on Discord, please feel free to join our Discord. The link is in the description of this YouTube video. So please feel free to join it, and let's see. So London low is gone. I'm still here lurking. Love. Hello, Robert. How are you? So the market's open. Let's see what sort of reaction we get. We have already swept London low with the first 15-second candle. And yeah, just keeping an eye on previous day high and see how we react to those liquidity areas. If we start pushing down, then, oh, by the way, I'm on NQ. I would have made a massive mistake just. Imagine opening a trade on NQ. Would have been crying my ass off. And if we are starting to go lower, trust me, I would be so happy if we go down to previous day low. But I'm not putting my money on that. Like, I mean, let's see. Maybe I will. So just waiting, wait and watch. I'm good. Good displacement lower. By the way, guys, if you have any questions for people who have been here, they know the drill, put them in the chat and I will take them. If you're not on Discord, please join the Discord. It's free of cost. I don't charge anything for you to be there. And all you get from me over there is some fun, some jokes, and if possible, some trades, or me trying to show off how good I am at times. Well, not that great though, but still. That's the only way I can publicize. Marketing, that's the marketing strategy. I mean, somebody told me I should be doing better Twitter, but I am so shit on Twitter. So I don't do Twitter. I don't do Twitter much. So in my Twitter, you'll find random things being shared. So yeah, waiting for it, waiting and watching. Waiting and watching, waiting and watching. Asia low is also taken. Asia low is also gone. Next target will be New York PM low and then the previous day low if the price keeps going lower. But we will get back-to-back fair value gaps on the 1-minute chart. Even though there is a sweep of liquidity, we can keep an eye on this for a nice trade downwards. But let's see how we react to the first fair value gap first. So this is what I will be looking at. And on the upside, I am looking at these two candles here. So if these two candles are the order block right now, because that's what swept all the liquidity down below, If we go above this, that's a long. Otherwise, if we go into it, that's a perfect short for you as well. So just keep your eyes peeled on those two areas. So what I want to see is go retest this, show me a nice rejection, if closure, not just the candle. And if we get one, then the short position will look something like this. We'll put your stops here, and then you will be targeting 250%. That's a 4-hour trade as of now. I don't think we will get a 4-hour trade from there, but that would be the kind of trade you'll be looking at. But let's just wait for the closure of this candle, and hopefully we can get something. So just waiting and watching until this happens. Until a confirmation is given, there's no trade. Nothing yet. It's a rejection candle. It's not that this is not a rejection candle. I just want a little more to confirm that this trade is on. So let's see if we get that little more or not. Okay, just wait and watch. By the way, I'm not in a trade, so kindly don't click. Let's just move this here. At this point of time, all we are doing is we are monitoring. We are just monitoring the charts. We are just trying to make sense of the charts, and that's all we are doing. So don't jump into trades and don't start thinking, oh, there is an entry, there is an entry. All we are doing is waiting and watching, and let the market play. So till the time market doesn't offer us anything, we don't have anything. Cool, not too bad movement. So if we were to target previous day low, somewhere around here, let's see. Yeah. No fair value gap being left behind, so no trade yet. Still going to wait. So not in a trade, guys, not in a trade yet. Just waiting. Okay. Nice, again a retest of that 1 minute fair value gap. What's happening on 2 minutes? Yeah, it's trying to do something, make up its mind. 15-second is leaving fair value gaps after fair value gaps after fair value gaps. Waiting, watching. All right. Okay, cool. What's happening in the world? Man, Iran and US are fighting. I mean, I don't understand what this market is up to. Like, there's like a chance of World War III, and this market is sitting at all-time high. I sometimes do not understand the perception of big players in the market. Like, how can they be so sure of something not happening or not happening? Still waiting. There's not been a rejection candle as of now. You want to see price displace lower, but well, it's not. It's just grinding as always. So let's just give it some more time. Oh, I'm so sleepy. I don't know if you guys, anyone of you know about aloo puri. Aloo puri is like an Indian breakfast. Oh man, I had that. Not at breakfast time. I had it around 12:30, and my eyes are so damn full of sleep. I'm like, I want to sleep. Someone give me a bed. Still nothing. I'll give it one more minute to see what this candle has to offer. Okay, I'm going to try a short position here with that stop loss. Let's see. How many seconds to candle close? 22. So just give it 22 seconds. If this candle needs to close below this for me to take the short. If it doesn't close below, then no short. Otherwise, we wait for another 1 minute. Well, we wait for another minute. Minute or 15-second expansion. So let's see. Nothing yet. So still waiting. Still we keep waiting. Looks like trying to perform a turtle soup on those lows, but you just wait. You let the market do its thing. You have everything ready. You have your stops ready. You have your trade ready. It's just about getting a confirmation that you can enter, and that requires you to sit down in a yoga pose, just thinking, just imagining how you want that to look like, what you want to see, and not executing, just waiting, just staying there. So 35 more seconds or a 15-second displacement in the next candle. Again, the same thing. Nothing. So 15 more seconds if we can close below or not. Most likely waiting another minute. The more we are waiting over here, the more it gives me a feeling that the short might not work out, but well, we can't say anything. We can't say no. If we get the opportunity, we will take the opportunity. So another 1 minute wait. 5 minutes has left and very nice fair value gap right over here. So that's good to see. Oh, that aloo puri wants to come out. It's not happy inside of me. Keep waiting. There's no trade yet. What's gold doing? Oof, nice. Gold could be a good long. Yeah, gold could. I mean, I think it's gonna go here and then just reverse, so we don't have enough risk to reward. So yeah, let it be. Still waiting, still waiting. There's nothing to see. Let's see if we are going to invert that fair value gap. Because we must have retested that 5-minute FVG now. Yes, nicely. Still waiting for an opportunity. Nope, 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 nope. So slowly, steadily, as we are trying to peak higher, I'm changing my bias in my head and I'm trying to tell myself, well, if this price is truly bullish, it will do, leave some fair value gaps now to the upside. If it cannot, then yes, we still have a short position that we can take, but a lot depends on how we react here. This looks like a good candle. So this will be the stop loss. We need a confirmation though, as I've said before. We just need to wait for that confirmation to occur. So Po, are you in a YM trade? YM is just running. YM is just pushing higher. So is ES. Like, it has taken Asia low, but ES is also looking good and strong. But the thing is, there's no liquidity left to the upside, so it's all about, if it starts going higher, it will keep going higher. Well, for that, we just need to wait. We just need to let the market basically invert some of those fair value gaps, give us a confirmation so that we can play it. Until that happens, there's no trade, guys. Sorry. It has basically left a couple of fair value gaps from the open, but it has not really inverted anything. After sweeping of the liquidity as well, it has not really inverted anything. So all you can do is wait and watch and let the market do its thing. So that's the first inversion. What I want to see is us leaving another fair value gap after this. So one more minute. If we leave a fair value gap, then there is a long position that you can take with this as your stop loss. Or if you want to be a little bit more safer, you can use this as your stop loss. And all you're targeting is 2 to 3R, whatever, like 3R is fine. So somewhere around here. Okay, I'm going to take a position here. Stops will be underneath this. Okay, sorry. It's a full risk trade. Aim is to basically, since we have inverted this fair value gap after the sweep of liquidity for Asia and London low, I'm expecting bullish price action. But if it's not the case, then we'll get to know pretty quickly. Will be stopped out pretty quickly as well. So let's see. So we have left a fair value gap towards the upside, and obviously we are trading into these fair value gaps, which is something that does scare me, and that's why just making sure that I keep an eye. If we push through this one pretty quick aggressively, I might just close it straight away. Okay, the retest is happening. Let's see what sort of reaction we get from this fair value gap. So yeah, I mean, not looking great, but I mean, until we are trading above Asia low, I'm quite okay with what I see. Once we start trading below Asia low is when I'm concerned. But yeah, overall, the price action, I would like to see it react here, like be positive. If it wants to go higher, it should react aggressively here and start pushing up. But if it cannot, then most likely it will be stopped out, and that means we are going lower further. Any question, guys? Anything? Like we have 25 people watching overall. No questions, nothing. Like no question at all, honestly. It feels like it wants to go higher, but not able to push through that area. I mean, if it can push through the true day open, it will be aggressive after that. So let's see. Price may be waiting for the news at 10. Yeah, possibly, yes. It's 8 minutes away. What is the news today? Pending house sales, not so much. I mean, if it is waiting, it is then, but I mean, I'm not so much concerned about that news, honestly. So again, another try to push higher. And coming out of this fair value gap, that if we can leave another one, that would be really good. Like that would give me confidence in the trade. And if we can start trading above this 2-minute order block, I will go break even straight away. But we need to trade above this 2-minute order block for that to happen. You use opening print and what is so I use the 12 midnight price opening print, so true day open. So that's the midnight open that we have, New York time. It basically helps you understand where the day really started. So that's why. Oh man. What the fuck? I'm 6 now. Yeah. I'll need to close and re-enter this trade. Okay, now it's working. So yeah, stops will be where they were. Just the entry has changed because it didn't, my orders didn't go through the way they should have. So just had to re-enter the trade. Let's see. So true day open is basically crucial at this point of time. A rejection over here is possible. So I will keep an eye on this, how market reacts over here. Please, you do as well. If you feel like you're scared of something, just get rid of it. So what's the what importance does it have if you don't? So think of it like this. True day open is like, it's a significant level, as in it's more of a psychological level, that this is the price think of it from a perspective of, you're a computer. When does the new day start for you as a computer? It starts when the date switches, right? Midnight. So from that perspective, true day open is a crucial price point where the market really goes into the new day, right? So you just take that as a psychological point, and you will see price accumulating and using it as support or resistance, like over here. All these areas are true day open. You see how price has been bouncing off it. It's a psychological place where the price just bounces off. So if you can see it in any asset, especially in crypto, it works a lot, because the crypto market, the day switches on that time, like NASDAQ and all, still there is a market closure. But yeah, over there it's much more important. MNO, okay, I have it too. I'm not sure. Midnight open, okay. I'm like, MNO. Yeah, it's a magnet. It's not really a magnet. So how you say a magnet, people use the term magnet, is they try to say is that the price is attracted towards that. In this case, the price is not attracted towards it. It's more about the price using it as an important area to decide whether I'm bullish or bearish. So a lot of people use true day open in their strategy as a way to decide their bias. So if you're trading above 2-day open, they will be bullish. If they're trading below 2-day open, they'll be bearish. So it's a way to create your bias as well. Like, where am I trading? Am I trading above 2-day open or below 2-day open? So a lot of people use different price levels for different ways, and I mean, it all depends on person to person how they do it. Yeah, I mean, that's my 2 cents. Like, I hope you understand what I'm trying to explain over here. So yeah. So where was our original entry? Yeah, here, right? So where is 1 hour? I just want to be sure we know where 1 hour is. Somewhere above New York AM high. All right, so that's good. Right over here. So I will take a TP at 1 hour, but I have only 2 contracts, so most likely I'll not take a TP at 1 hour. But I would recommend to you guys, if you have more than 1 contract, take a TP at 1 hour, so that you are in, like, take a TP at 1 hour and move your stops higher up, maybe at the low of this candle, because that's the BPR that's already been tested. So price should not be trying to go below that, and if it does go below it, then it will obviously take you out as well. So the low of this candle or this low, totally up to you. You can use this low. That will reduce your risk by around 0.4 hours. So not a bad place to move your stop loss to. I'm just waiting for the market to kind of close this 2-minute candle above this in 22 seconds. And if it does that, I'll also move my stops higher. So let's see whether the market has the power to do that. 15 seconds to go to that closure. Okay, I'm going to move my stops to this candle's low, reduce my risk. So initial stop loss was here. By the way, I'm in a trade now. So, I mean, I guess all of you have eyes and you can see I'm in a trade. But if some people are still confused whether I'm in a trade or not, I am in a trade. So yeah. So let's see what happens now. Okay, I do. Okay, gotcha. I heard something like that before, but wasn't explained. Okay. Oh, multiple comments are getting repetitive. Okay, guys, feel free to take a TP. Take a TP, get rid of some of your position. I will not take a TP yet personally. It's not that I don't want to, I should have, but I only have 2 contracts. So I want to take 1 contract at around previous week high. So I want to take 1 contract off over here, but please take a TP. I mean, my suggestion to you will be take a TP. You've got 1 hour, like, take a TP, move your stops to break even, let the market do what it wants to do now. At least you're risk free. You would have made 0.3 hours something on this trade or something, so you can, to be honest, 0.5 hour. But yeah, it's better for you to take a TP. That's fine, man. Robert, I don't pay YouTube any money for the number of comments you guys do. So fucking spam the mud shit out of it, man. I don't care. I don't even read that shit. Like, I only read it when you guys are basically live. After that, I don't even care. Like, I've been telling people, ask these sort of questions on fucking Discord. That will be so much more fun. But you guys are so damn quiet on Discord, man. I mean, mentees are talkative. Yeah, I can see they are talkative, but others are so damn quiet. I'm like, what the fuck is wrong with you guys? You're getting a fucking free Discord where you can ask questions. They're happy to pay money and still not ask questions to others, but I'm giving you for free and they still don't ask questions. I'm like, fucking stupid or what? But it's okay. It's their choice, their fingers to use, or no, their hands to use. It's up to them where they want to use it. That was a naughty joke. People get it if they get it. By the way, I need to stop doing naughty jokes now. I'm a father. I need to act like one. So yeah, let's see. If the price gets rejected here, well, I'll most likely be stopped out. I've not taken a TP. My TP will be at previous week high. I'll take 1 contract off and I'll let the remaining contract run if it goes higher. Not taken a TP yet, so let's see. Have we inverted the 5-minute one as well? Oh yes, we have. And in 2 minutes time, if everything goes to plan, we might leave a back-to-back fair value gap on 5 minutes, which will be perfect because then I will take a TP at 200%, which is this high. So if by any chance we leave another fair value gap in the next 1 minute 30 seconds, then this will play, or maybe a bit lower, higher, I don't know how it will work out. But then the TP will be this high, not previous week high for me. I'll take a TP here and then I'll take a TP at 400, 455, 450%, depends on that. You need to make a Discord name. You can use the current name you have. It's Robert Moskoff. It is a good name. I like it. It sounds like you are a, what do you call, like an assassin or something. You know, who are you? I'm Robert Moskoff. I'll make so many holes in your body that you'll not even realize where the holes are. Okay, so now FEG has come lower, which makes me feel that maybe I'm aiming for a lot higher prices than it should, but yeah, we'll trail that shit. But yeah, let's see. Let's see. So 5 minutes looking fine. No FEG inverted. I think it's the upside retest of the breaker block. So let's see how the breaker block reacts. Well, 20 more seconds. And if we are closing this candle above previous day high, that's not bad. There's a fight going on between bulls and bears of where this candle should close, above previous day high or below previous day high. And the price closed above previous day high. So that will give price bulls some happiness and they'll be like, hey, mummy, I won. And they'll try to run towards their mummy on the top side towards previous week high. Well, that's like mother mummy, not like, you know, that naughty mummy that we have. Like daddy mummy thing in, you know, sexual terms, not that. It's like like the real mother mummy. I don't understand. Like these 4 people who are watching me on Twitter, I mean, hi, how are you? But yeah, yay, join the Discord. Did anyone did just join? Nobody joins. I say every time. It feels like I'm a broken record telling people fucking join and they don't join. I just don't understand. I don't understand how people get popular on YouTube. Like, look at me. I do funny things. I mean, you get like a whole lot of stuff in our, you know, it's like an entertainment package, our videos. You have so much fun. You have fun. You have a lot of banter. You have a lot of trading. You have a lot of learning. But still, people don't like to watch the videos. I don't understand why. I just don't know. I am really thinking that I'm a bad teacher. Maybe not. It's probably your mom on Twitter. Your mom's on Twitter, mate. Nice. My mom only sees Instagram. She's like all day long, reels. I don't understand. So is my father. All day long, he can watch reels. I'm like, anything productive left in life? And the answer I get is, we have lived our life. We are happy with what we are doing. I'm like, fuck this shit, bro. That was rude. Oh, there's a question. Sorry. So now we are above MNO and closed LTF candles. Is there a better chance we stay bullish now? It does matter. That shit does matter. Since you are above 2-day open, you should use that as a support and bounce off it every time you try to hit it until you come below it again. It's even previous day high, like this area. The reason I wanted that candle to close above it is because if it is able to close above it, it will push price higher. Going to say Instagram. What should I do on Instagram, Sarah? Sarah, are you on Instagram? Yeah, I'm on Instagram, but I have my personal account. That's it. There is a Squid Trader Instagram account, but I have put 0 things there. Nothing. I don't know how to make reels, Robert. I am shit at it. The only thing good I can do is live, because in live I can talk to you people. Then I have things to talk about, have some fun, make some jokes. But if somebody gives me a pre-recorded, or like if somebody asked me to read a script, right? And I tried doing it for our YouTube as well when I was doing the psychology recordings, and I'm just not good at it. I just don't feel comfortable doing it. So, okay, I'll try doing Instagram. But do you think I should do funny reels or educational reels? What will be more popular on Instagram? I think funny, right? People like funny stuff. I don't know. I mean, I'll try. Buy in Lamborghini. I'm not a Lamborghini fan. I have a nice BMW. I'm very happy with that. Well, that's me being sarcastic because of the amount of money it cost me to buy that piece of shit, and the amount of money I spent charging that piece of shit. So I have a nice car, but I'd never post a picture with that. Like, I don't like show off. I don't know, that maybe that's why I don't get popular. Zubair, I'll fuck you, man. I'll show you my car, Zubair, when I get to meet you. It's not a bad car. I'm sure you have a better one, but it's not bad. Yeah, I've said I don't like show off. Like, I just don't. I'm a very down to earth person. I mean, you guys talk to me every day, even in the mentorship calls. I'm a very down to earth person. I don't. You had a BMW. Which one? You had a BMW. Which one do you have now? Porsche. You have one. Which one? Which one? Which one? I like my Mercedes more than my BMW, but well, it is what it is. I don't have the Mercedes anymore, so. We are too close to previous week high. I mean, my heart says I should take a TP here, but my mind says just let it be. I'll let it be. You have an X5? Sarah has a Skoda. Oh, you know, Skoda Octavia. When I was young, I used to love that car. I mean, I was so much in love with that car. I don't know why. I just was like, wow, beautiful. It was such a beautiful car. Yeah. I've got the iX5. Well, iX4, not 5. I don't have 7. Well, if you keep reproducing, you'll need a 10-seater very soon, Zubair. You need to get something done with your fucking veins down there. No more reproduction, brother. Half the stress you have in life is because you don't shag, you have sex, and that makes babies. You need to shag more, less sex. By the way, this is not life coaching here. This is just me trying to pass my time till the time we hit my TP. Like, imagine I have not had winners from the time I had baby because there's so much stress. I mean, I'm concerned about the diaper, then I'm concerned about the crying, then I'm concerned about why the fuck the crying is happening. Is the crying because of gas, or is the crying because of feed, or is the crying because of diaper? Or am I stupid that I'm thinking he's crying and he's just laughing on me? It's so confusing. Okay, with that, I'm gonna go take my one contract off. So selling one and updating these idiots and moving my stops to break even. Why you fail to modify? You gotta be kidding me. Okay. Cancel order. So cancel this as well. I'm gonna add an order over here. Add order. Stop. One. Buy. No, sell. Sell. Okay, and then one order over here. Maybe I'll go 2R. I'll not go the whole lot. I'll just go 2R. So at this 400%, I'll put another order. Add order, limit, 1, sell. There you go. All right, so taken one off, break even, profitable day, not bad. Not bad way to start. Yeah, I was just saying, I have no idea how the fuck these kids decide whether they want to cry or they want to not cry. I really feel at times when I see him crying at me, crying, and he's with me, that he's just trying to make fun of me. That he's just saying that, yo mate, you don't know what the fuck you're doing. I have a Honda account 2014. That thing is a champ. Honda makes good cars, man. I remember that Honda. What was that? Ascent. That was back in India. Honda Ascent. Honda Ascent. What? Honda Ascent. Honda had Civic. Civic was crazy good. Indian version of Civic was crazy good. Amazingly luxury car. Beautiful and a very nice engine as well. The Civic that I saw in the UK, I was like, what the fuck is this piece of shit? Because of the Civic I was used to, not because it was a bad car. The Civic I was used to back in India was amazing. Ascent, yes, Honda Ascent. Who made Lancer? Mr. Bushi. Mr. Bushi had Lancer. Even that was a beautiful car. All right, so let's wait. Yeah. Imagine you came for trading and 6 people left because we started talking about cars, but that's fine. I love the people who stayed back, that they are more important to me. People who stay back, they basically show that they're not just here for the trade, they are here for me. I like that more than anything else. Okay, let's let it run. And why are you laughing, Po? By the way, guys, this is Po's real face. This one, the one in green that you see on YouTube, that's how he really looks. Whenever he turns on his camera, you'll be able to see that's exactly how he looks. That's literally his image that YouTube used, and he charges them every time it is being used. And that's why he uses this one, because he gets money as and when he uses it. Well, if they left because they got the win and they don't love me anymore, so that's fine. Yeah, Robert, nice. Usually on the phone. You should not be on the phone. See, you need to somehow understand, even though these streams are more, having a little bit more fun, but there are always nuggets dropped around. Like today, True Day Open, right? The question that you asked, amazing question. The reason I ask people to ask me questions is because if they will ask questions, it's not just them who will learn, is everyone will get something out of it. Like, that's the whole thing about it. Like, if you don't ask questions, how the fuck are you going to learn? So keep doing that, and always try to join from a laptop, bigger screen, so that you can see the small details that we are putting in the charts and all those stuff. By the way, to the 13 people who are left behind and are still in this trade with me, there's a small announcement that I'm going to make pretty soon. I'm just waiting for Wednesday, for people who know, for someone to confirm something to me. And the person to confirm that is sitting amongst you in the 14 people. But once I have that discussion, there will be a small announcement that I will be making. So yeah, keep your eyes on Discord. Yeah, man, it's difficult. I know. Getting my son in the nappy before this call was a fucking pain. Imagine taking them to school. So PM, we were streaming PM session, Robert, on Discord with the mentees. It was fun to learn the PM session, but when I was streaming, I realized that PM obviously normally doesn't offer too many trades, and it's just slow sometimes, which makes it difficult for people to, people who are taking out time to come and learn. They sometimes get pissed off that, fuck, we took out time to learn and there's nothing that we learned. Only thing that we learned is this guy talking rubbish. And yeah, that's not really helpful for them. So that's why I don't want to give something back to the market. So I'm going to take this opportunity to move my stops to this friend of mine, 26,848, and just keep them there. If I get stopped out, that's fine. If I get a win, much further bullish action, that's great as well. That's a good question, Zach. Zade. If you break all-time high, you basically try to trade extensions, like what we have done over here. You measure the moves, you measure the order blocks, you measure the acceleration gaps, and then you just trade them. You just go to the extension, get out of the trade, and let the next one form. Because you don't have liquidity on the upside, so you don't really know where the market will head towards the upside. So that's how you should be trading it instead of doing anything else. I think I moved my stops to a very wrong place, but that's fine. If I get stopped out, I'll get another opportunity later. So the reason I'm doing that is because we have reached the 200% extension. And if we start getting rejected here, there is a high chance we might even return to break even, which will give me another opportunity to enter the same trade from lower prices. So I want to be flat when we reach there and then enter it again to go towards the upside. So yeah, that's just my way of trading. So yeah, I would rather be flat going down and then re-enter instead of keeping my stops where they are and just let. If I'm in loss, if I'm in loss, I'll never move my stops. But if I'm in profit, I try to see where can I get more opportunities to enter. But the thing is, I think I've moved it to a very wrong place because there are equal lows over here and the price could just sweep them and then go up again. But yeah, that's fine. So I'm stopped out for around 1.23 hour or something. That's fine. 15 minutes looks bad, really. Let's see 15 minutes. Why does it look bad? Can you tell me? I don't think it looks bad. I think it's looking beautiful. We had this whole thing and we still have 10 minutes to go to this candle closure. Once this candle closes, maybe over here, yes, it looks bad. But if this candle reverses from somewhere around here and, that does a change in state of delivery on these candles, then how does it look bad? Until this candle closes, there's nothing that looks bad. Once this candle closes, that's when you can say, is it looking bad or good? As of now, it's a turtle soup, yes. But also the candle is still ongoing. The 15-minute candle is still ongoing. So I will not be trying to trade this candle yet. Swept previous one rejected straight away, but it's not closed. The point is, has it closed? Once the candle closes is when you can make that sort of a decision, not before that. That's my point of view for you. Like, you need to wait for a closure to happen. If somebody says that, oh, swept and I'm going short on 15 minutes, well, you're doing a mistake. Yes, if you were doing the same thing on a 2-minute time frame, that, okay, lack of displacement, leaving a fair value gap, I'm entering on a 2-minute time frame over here with the stops over here. The reason you're putting your stops over there is because that 15-minute is not closed. So yeah, just remember that. It can turn around in a matter of 2 minutes. You will see one candle just whip through the whole thing and just go higher. It could happen, right? But with that, I will take your leave. I will be looking for more opportunities. I think we are, at least as of now, it looks like we want to go a little more higher. But if we start turning around, I'll be happy to take a short position as well. Because this is a second failed attempt at previous week high. So I will be looking at how we react now. I'll be happy to take a short as well, but not right now, not straight away. For now, I'm looking for opportunity to go long again. But yeah, let's see. But thank you so much for everyone who stayed back for this long and enjoyed the conversation with you. Thank you, Robert, for asking so many questions. I would love to see you on Discord and learn a bit more over there as well. So do join and do say hi when you join. It would be amazing. And for people who are not on Discord, do join the Discord. It's free of cost. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to even do anything. Just stay there, have some fun, and enjoy yourself. Everyone, take care and have a lovely rest of the day.